So if you are planning to build a new website and you don't know where to start, what to include in your website, how to structure your website, what kind of content do you need on your website, then I have the perfect tool for you here. So in this video, I want to show you Elementor's new AI site builder tool or AI's site planner tool. And this tool is really advanced because this tool will give you the exact wireframe, it will provide you with the content, it will provide you with the necessary sites that you have to build in your website. And this is what I want to show you in the video. So the link to this page here is in the video description down below. So if you want to check it out, if you want to test it, and of course this tool is free, you can use this tool for free. All you have to do is to make a free account. Simply click here on try for free, and then you can create a free account with your email address or with your Google with your Google account or with your Apple account, for example. And so let me show you. So all you have to do, like I said, is click here on the top right corner, try for free, and try for free. And now we have to log in. Okay, now I am signed in, and here you can see or here you have two different methods. You can start creating or planning your new website. You have here start with AI chat. So then a chat window will open and the AI will ask you a few questions about your business, about your goal, how you want to structure your website, and also if you not sure, then the AI will of course help you. And you have the option to use AI Notetaker. So for example, when you want to discuss the new website or your new project with your team or with a colleague, then you can use Google Meet, and then you can activate the AI Notetaker, and the AI will take notes from this conversation you have with your colleague, with your teams over Google Meet. And this is really handy. Then this tool will take notes, and based on these notes, your website will get created, and this is really cool. But you can of course test this out. This is free. But in this video, I want to show you, how to do this with AI chat. So then I will click here on start with AI chat. Okay, now we are here on this little chat window, or we have this little chat window here, and here you can see Site Planner Beta. So this is not the completely finished version. So and from time to time you get a little error here, or the AI doesn't automatically start with the conversation. So you have to start the conversation, and you have to start the conversation with your site name. So when you see a blank chat window here, then make sure that you paste in the name of your site, of your website or your business. And I have here my pre-made funny website name, PetSnap Studio. So then I click here on send, and now you can see that the AI will start. So here you can see, hi, the first step in planning your site is creating a brief, a few questions, and we are good to go. What's the name? What's the site name? And then you can see this is my answer. So when you don't see anything here, then respond with the website name. Maybe depends when you watch the video or when you use this platform, maybe they fix this issue. But now you can see from the second question, everything is good. So great name. This info will help in personalizing the site. Could you provide a specific description of what kind of business PetSnap Studio operates? So then I will paste in the pre-made description here. So PetSnap Studio is a fun photo studio that takes professional and funny pictures of pets and so on and so forth. Then you can see here we have the next question from the AI. What do you want? What do you plan to showcase or do with your website? Like provide services, sell products, provide information, etc. Then you have here a few options you can choose. But also, of course, you can write text, and I also prepared a little little text. So let me grab the text and let me paste in the text here. So now the AI should know exactly what the website should be all about, what service we want to offer on this website. And here comes the next question. Would you like to generate, we now have enough details to start creating the sitemap and wireframe for PetSnap Studio. Would you like to generate this now? Then, of course, you can click on Not Yet to provide even more information, or you can click on Yes, I'm ready, but I want to give them a little bit more information so that, yeah, the AI knows more infos about my fictional website here. So then I would click on Not Yet. Understood. What are the primary goals of your website? Then I will, or I have already prepared text for this as well. I will paste it in here. Thanks for sharing the goals of the website. Secondary goals. So the secondary goals, copy this and let me paste this in here. The secondary goals. What language will your website be? Then, yeah, English. I will click here on English. And I think now one question, or then we are finished here. What core features do you want to want your website to have? So the core features, let me paste in here. And also you can attach files if you have photos, or if you have a PDF document or a text file or a text document, then you can paste it in here. But I only have text. Got it. What tone and voice do you want your website to convey? For example, formal, casual, friendly, professional, etc. So then we click here on fun, professional, caring. Or I will professional and could you provide a list of all the pages you like to have on your website? So, and this is relatively important. Here you have to give the AI all the websites you want to have. So, of course, we want to have the homepage. Then, yeah, an About Us page we need. And here we have some pre-made home gallery, booking, pricing. Yeah, this is, okay, yeah, this is good. Who's your target audience? So pet owners, let me click here, family with pets, animal lovers, yeah, this is good. Then click on send. And of course, yeah, the more information you give the AI, the better the AI knows what you want to have or what your website should look later on. But then what's the desired style and tone of your brand? Fun and friendly, modern and professional, colorful and playful. So let's choose colorful and playful. Colorful and playful is good. What integration do you require, such as social media links or payment gateways? So then I will click on, I don't know, let's click here on Facebook. Yeah, Facebook integration is good. What key user experience elements are important for your website? Simple navigation, interactive booking form, high quality photos, and simple navigation and high quality photos. Interactive booking form, yeah, why not? So let's see. Are there any specific plugins or tools you consider essential for the website? Simple contact form, of course, social media, SEO-friendly blog plugin. Yeah. Okay. Do you have any additional requirements or suggestions for the website? Mobile-friendly design, of course, optimized for SEO, yes. Include an FAQ section, yes. and yeah, you can add your own requirements if you want. Your website plan is well on its way. If you are ready, you can move forward by clicking the use this brief button in the top right corner. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with. So then we have to find use this brief. So there use this brief. Then we will click here, and also here you can see the brief, and also you can edit this. You can add more requirements or add more text. And yeah, here you can see our sitemap, or now our sitemap will get created. And this is really cool because now you know exactly how your website is structured. And I really like this because here you can see the detailed structure of your website. You can edit the website or the structure of your website if you want to change anything. And based on this sitemap, then Elementor will create your website. Elementor will create all the pages for you, and you simply can download the zip file and install on your WordPress website, on your new WordPress website, or you can, of course, yeah, click on create with Elementor hosting. Then yeah, everything, all the website is created for you. You have a pre-made, really good looking website. But let's see here. So we can zoom in. Let's zoom a little bit in 100%. So here you can see this is our home website homepage. You can see the header section. What's inside the header section. Then here's the welcome section, and also, of course, you can move this around. You can grab this here, and then you can move this around. And also, when you can click here, then you can edit the text and delete stuff. Also, you have the add section. When you click on the plus button, then you can add a new section, our services, happy clients, and so on. And then when we and here you can see the structure. So from the home page, we have the navigation menu, and in the navigation menu you can see we have a gallery side, we have a booking side. And here's the same. You can edit this, you can add new sections, you can rename this pricing section, and also here you can see you can add new pages. So when I don't see an About Us page, so if you want to have an About Us page, I think the About Us page is missing, yeah, then you simply click on the plus button, and then yeah, then you can, for example, create an About Us page. But let me make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, footer section. Yeah, I think our test website look good. Everything looks good. Then yeah, then we can click here on create website. What's this? Yeah, create a website. Then go with wireframe. And now our website will get built. All the design will get built. Of course, later on you have to add the photos, of course. And yeah, you have a fully functional WordPress website with all the text, so on. So you can customize this if you are not happy with the design. If you want to have a different design, a different layout, then you can got it. Then you can click here on the little pencil icon, and then you can change everything. Here you can see this will getting built right now. So the AI is not completely ready yet, because these are a lot of pages. You can see here, and this is how our homepage will look like. Let's make it a little bit bigger on 100%. Yeah, 100 is a little bit too big. Let's make this 50% maybe. Come on, 50%. Oh no. Yeah, and you can move this around, all the content. Here's our homepage. You can see this is the header section. Then you can later on add an image. our photography offerings, then yeah, put some nice pictures in here. You can change the text now before the website is built, before you export this website. Yeah, I really like this. It's really easy to build or to create a new page or a new website with all the pages, with all the content, all the information. And here you can already see we already have some animation in here, happy customers, subscription box, really nice. So yeah, and then of course you can, when you done designing your website, then again you can click here on create website. So then you have the option to launch a fully hosted website. So if you don't have hosting or a domain yet, then you can click here on launch a fully website. Then you can choose a domain name and then your website will get built. Or you can import your kit to a site. So this means when you already have a WordPress website, then you simply click here and let me do this, and then you can continue, and then you will get provided a complete zip file with all the necessary WordPress files and all the necessary sitekit files that you need to import exactly this site. And yeah, this is so easy. So all you have to do, enter your domain name. I don't want to do this yet because I don't have a website yet where I want to install or where I can install this. Then so all you have to do this, or you can click here. Let's click here, download and apply manually. So then let's do this. So now you can see our website will get built. This of course takes a little bit. It depends on the size of your website, how many pages you want to include or you want to export. And then yeah, all you have to do is install the Hello Elementor theme, and then you can simply import your created website. And yeah, I think this is really cool. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this AI website building tool? I think this is pretty cool, because it's really simple, even for beginners that are not that experienced with website building or website designing or with structuring a website and so on. Yeah, I think this is relatively easy, relatively straightforward. And when this of course is finished building the site, then you will get the zip file. You can download the zip file and install all the pages on your website and so on. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think about this tool, this Elementor tool. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. So in the next video I will show you how you will able to import this into a new WordPress website, how you install the Elementor theme, how you install the or how you import the produced files of the website, the site kits. And yeah, so then I think if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And also, yeah, of course, if you like the video, if you found the video informative, then I would of course appreciate if you press the thumbs up button. And also I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a small creator, and for me every thumbs up, every subscription count. And yeah, so then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.